Welcome to another musket powder cooking hour. Today we will be making blackened mahi mahi tacos with curtido. Click the thumbs up and find the link for full instructions and ingredients for this recipe in our description. We can begin with our curtido. We will need some onions, cabbage, and carrots for this section. Cut the cabbage into thin strips. Next, add the cabbage and salt to a bowl and massage with your hands until some of the juice has been released and drain the bowl. From there, we can cut the onions and carrots also into thin strips. Add the onion, chilies, oregano, and red onion into the bowl with the cabbage and set aside. Heat 1 cup of apple cider vinegar in a saucepan until simmering. Add the contents of the bowl into a jar and slowly pour in the vinegar. Let the jar sit for 3 hours. Next, we can focus on our mahi mahi. Remove the skin and cut the fillet in halves. Coat the fillet with our red label musket powder seasoning. As always, if you think you've sprinkled on too much, add a little more. Preheat a sauté pan on the stove and add a neutral oil. Add your fish laying away from you in order to avoid hot oil splashing back towards you. Press down on the fish. Add a fish weight if you have one, in order to have full contact with the surface of the pan. Cook for 4 minutes or until you have achieved that signature blackened crust. Flip the fish over, and depending on the size, cook for 3 to 5 more minutes, achieving a similar sear on the other side. Set aside and rest. Next, we can prepare the tortillas. Heat your tortillas on a dry cast iron pan that's very hot. Add a little bit of water in the pan to steam the tortillas slightly. Cook each side for about 15 seconds until softened. Compose your tacos with filet, curtido, and our favorite, Alabama white sauce. Click the thumbs up and find the link for full instructions and ingredients for this recipe in our description. Subscribe to our channel for future recipes.